this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the Core 4 indicator onto your TradingView. So once you're inside Discord, on the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation menu. If you scroll down, you'll find a category which says Indicators. Under here is a list of all the indicators which have been built by Quantified Ante for TradingView. Click on Core 4. Inside of the channel, you'll find a URL. Click on the URL, and this will take you to a web page. This web page will contain a brief description of the indicator and all its settings that can be tweaked. Scroll down, identify the Add to Favorites button, and click it. Provided that you're logged into TradingView, this will now be added onto your TradingView favorite indicators. Go to a blank chart, navigate to Indicators, go to Favorites, find your Core 4 by Quantified Ante, and click on it. This will now overlay the indicator on your chart. If you want to access the settings, click on the Settings wheel, and this will bring up all the settings which can be tweaked. I will be covering all these settings and how to use the indicator in a separate video, so watch this space. Thank you.